doesn't look like a normal person. Very selfish. Do foolish things. Has a very miserable life.
Kind of strange.
Weird, but okay.
Not a good person.
I feel like he's pessimistic and he made bad decisions. Has big blue eyes.
Very big eyes.
Pain in his eyes. Enormous eyes. Small eyes.
Little eyes, but with a very big mouth.
Her mouth is quite big as well, and she has lipstick on her mouth.
Large lips.
Red lips.
He doesn't have any hair. Nightmare. Big hair, like this.
All his body is covered with hair.
Short and messy hair.
Pig nose.
A big nose. He doesn't have a nose neither. She has a big chin. A red face.
Little guy.
Foolish person. He's ridiculous.
Really disgusting.
She's fat. Not intelligent.
Really, like, ew.
Don't have all his teeth.
His teeth are brown and white.
Has a very big ear.
His hands are very big. Crazy and arrogant. I hate him.
The best team ever seen. They are just perfect.
Funny,
It's lovely.
Champions.
Sweet. Very professional.
hardworking, pretty.
Sweet.
So cute.
Just
I
perfect.
spent my
We love them.
We love them.
The spaces that have
We
grown
love
between
them.
us, and I cut my mind on second best. All the scars that come with the green.